Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. So let's take it a few moments back. Alright, so we're currently on the way to go pick up Astrid's new car. Let's go figure out what this car is. We're going to the bank to get the money and check out this car.
This isn't the conditions I thought I'd pick up the car in, you know? It's raining. I hate the rain.
It ain't a normal day in Florida if it ain't raining. At least for the summer anyways. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Said you never ever leave from beside me. I want you. And
oh my god, I'm 356!
Always crazy. Oh, doctor. Let's go, boys. Alright, guys. Here we have it. Yeah, I don't think you guys are ready to see it. It's the perfect car for Astrid. It's so fun, guys. Like, this thing is sick. I'm actually happy for her. Not that I'm not, but or whatever.
It's a project, but
it's definitely a project. But here we have it. Astrid's 2005 Mini Cooper. This thing is legit perfect for her. Needs some work. It's definitely going to be a little project. But here it is. Can't really open the outside door. The handle's broken, I guess. Not broken, just cabled, whatever. Here it is, guys. Don't mind the jumper cable box. This battery's bad. But yeah, 5-speed manual, sunroof. You know, not too shabby. So, what do you think of it, Astrid?
love it. I miss my old Cooper, but I love it.
So, if you guys don't know, Astrid used to have a Mini Cooper before the Z.
Then he taught me how to drive it.
And yeah,
He taught me how to drive stick.
I did. I taught her how to drive a manual car in a Mini Cooper. So ever since then, she's missed it. She's missed her old girl, and she finally has one again. This one's in a little bit of rough shape. I mean, it's got a few dings here and there. Definitely needs a detail. Other than that, I don't know what kind of exhaust it has, or it just got a really bad exhaust leak, but here she is, the Mini Cooper. It's gonna be Astrid's daily if most people don't know. Also her little project, but she's excited, guys. She's really excited. So why don't you tell the viewers, what are your plans with the car?
It's gonna be my daily, so I'm gonna work on it little by little. Plans is to fix the little things it has, like the bumper is falling off, the steering wheel, I need a new steering wheel, power steering, fix the door, obviously, and give it a nice touch, TLC, and some polish, and it should be good to go. I mean, Kenny wants me to put coilovers and wheels, but I don't know, maybe. We'll see.
We're gonna slam it, boys.
Yeah.
Maybe, if she lets me. But yeah, here it is.
Playing. I was the one pumping.
God damn.
Bro, he's playing, y'all. I was pumping the gas. He wasn't.
Bro, $48.
Should fill it up, yeah.
God damn, from completely empty. This thing was like, had nothing in it. 48 bucks for a
like
Mini
my
Cooper.
350.
You would think, 30 bucks at max, but nope. Absolutely. What the hell? What is that?
The walk.
Anyways, 48 bucks. Wow. Let me in! Let me in, fucker! You already know. You already know. That shit's louder than yours. It backfires. Oh man, this thing's fucking sick. Oh my god, this thing's great. This thing's fucking great. Well, I already did the first thing we need to replace was the battery. Checkmate. So we cross that off the list.
First real install, look at that. New battery.
Shout out to your boy.
Thank you. No, for real, thank you.
ASE certified. ASE certified. Bam. Go on and start your bad boy up.
You need to get the keys though.
Yeah, go get the keys. Alright guys, so before I end today's video, I'm just going to go over the car just a little bit. Probably tell you what needs to be done. First and foremost, we need to definitely give this thing a wash and a detail on the inside, because whoever had this car last, I don't know what they had. Well, I know what they had, a cat or a dog, and it's just disgusting in here. Like, if y'all could see this in person, ugh, I can't wait to detail this car. Definitely needs a detail. Needs that backlight over there. Needs a couple trim and pieces to be replaced. Let's see what else. It has a check engine light for the cats. Probably gonna be redoing the exhaust system. Power steering pump went out. It needed a battery, but I already replaced that. It needs an intake. What else? Other than cosmetics and the detail and those few things that I just mentioned, it should be okay. That's where we stand with that. Like I said before, it's gonna be her little project, and let's see how it turns out. I mean, it is her daily. She wants to keep the 350Z in the garage. So this is what she wanted. So this is what she got, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this, what we're going to be doing to it, and how it's going to be progressing over these next few weeks, few months. Stay tuned. Slowly but surely we're going to be working on this to get it running properly. Not that it isn't right now, it just needs a few things and a major detail, as you guys can see. And as always, thank you. Catch you next time.
Catch you next time. I'm just kidding.
All right.